Hey YouTube. Jacklin released a Christmas song. It's called Baby Jesus Is Nobody's Baby Now. She seems to be alluding to a Nick Cave song, which is called Nobody's Baby Now. She just added the baby Jesus. It is nobody's baby now. So I think if your family knows you play an instrument and they ask you to play a song, this would be the one I would recommend. Yeah, it's got this kind of unusual kind of shuffle. So it's just a G chord. And then we're going to move our finger down to, I just replace my third finger with my second finger on the F sharp, which is your E string at the second fret. And I kind of mute the A all the time, so when I play G's, just playing a C. When I'm going to the F sharp chord, it's actually just F sharp over G is what it is, and I'm playing this on the B string at the first fret. Drink a cup of juice, try to celebrate. I love it. It's a very postmodern song. She refers to herself and her family and her Christmas gathering. I like it. It's very meta. And if you sing it to your family, it'll be even more meta. Alright, so that's for the main part of the verse. And then there's a little section, you could call it like a chorus kind of section or a refrain. And we go to the C chord. Last Christmas at my auntie's house, I tried so hard to get my uncle to shut his mouth. What I did there is on that C at the end, I used my pinky to play the B string on the third fret. It kind of gives it's not a C7, but it kind of gives it a feeling of a seventh chord. I think actually, technically, I think it's a sus chord, C sus. Mostly just the C. Last Christmas at my auntie's house, I tried so hard to make my uncle shut his mouth. And then we're back to the G. Grandma cried, can't this wait? And that's pretty much the whole song. And so if you sing this for your family, if they ask you to sing a Christmas song, let me know how it goes in the comments. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.